Adventure Science, and today Mommy's filming me, and today we are going to be doing another dinosaur egg, and I hope it's a T-Rex.
Okay, so what's the first thing we do?
So first, you put it in the water, right, Mama?
Yes.
See, you want to go? Yes.
All right, now let's set the timer.
This is Zayden. Wait, Zayden. I don't know why you touched the water.
Zayden, come here.
Zayden, see Mama? See Mama? Ready, set it for 3 minutes?
3 minutes.
I'm gonna do everything I want.
Okay.
Ooh, did you get that ball?
Anything else you want to do?
Ooh. You see Zayden?
Nope. Oh, there's Zayden.
Hi.
Oh, don't touch the timer, Zayden. Is that what we got before, Zayden?
Yes.
Yeah? Anything else that we got last time? What else did we get? Show the audience. Or show your brother. We got that one too. What else one? Hold it up. Hold it up. Oh, are you introducing them all to the egg? Oh, don't touch the egg, guys.
We can touch the egg we want to.
Oh, okay. Don't touch the egg.
Just don't pull out, Zayden. First thing I want you to do is pull it out.
Zayden, keep it in there. Thank you.
No. Zayden, no. Oh, stick it out.
Zayden, dry your hands.
Zayden.
Dry both of them.
Dash.
What sound does a dinosaur make, Zayden?
Wow.
Yeah, you're right, Edge.
Wow. I have my protective sword. Did you get that?
Now we see the sword.
That thing out if you're not in the way.
One more minute.
How do you send it to Daddy and to put it on these phones?
You have a way.
Stop?
No, we actually have 1 more minute. Zayden changed the time on us.
That means we have to wait.
Yep, 30 more seconds. 20 more seconds. 15 seconds. Oh, did that dinosaur join the egg, Zayden? Yes. What kind of dinosaur is it? All right, it's time to take the egg out. You ready, Edge? Edgy, you ready to take the egg out? Yeah. Okay, put it in the tray.
And it's time to wash it.
Where's the little thing that you chisel?
I don't know.
Can you check the kitchen?
I don't think it's the egg, so Zayden, get out here.
Zayden, over here. Be my cameraman. Oh. Don't touch the egg. Eyes only. No, Zayden. Okay, Zayden, over here. Zayden, over here. Okay. All right. So Edgy's gonna chisel the dinosaur out, and we're gonna watch Zayden.
Watch.
Do it in the tray, so it's less messy. Okay.
hard. It's pretty hard.
You want to stick it in the water to see if it'll get softer?
What about like this?
Oh yeah, we could try that.
I'm gonna have to wash my hands.
It's okay.
Side is always get messy. It's like a pumice soap.
Okay, keep going.
This video is so much fun.
Yes, I'm really afraid your brother's gonna tumble over the water. Can we move the water into the tray, please?
Ooh,
Ooh, look at those dirty hands.
it's okay. I wash my hands.
Ooh, look at those clean hands.
You wash them in the water, that's fine.
Be careful. Don't spill. Ooh, look at those clean hands. Ooh, look at those clean hands. Let's dry them.
Dry, 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 dry. Now we'll get everything dry. Dry, dry. It's almost like a pumice stone.
A pumice stone?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mommy, can you use this one, Mommy?
Sure. I'll
Hey,
try.
you just like chisel it out like this. You have to get like really deep shots. Clean hands, clean hands. Clean hands. And make sure it's still going.
Don't touch Zayden. Eyes on me.
The video can't see you.
Oh, I'm sorry. You got it? Did you tilt it? Zayden, clean your finger. Put it in the water.
Mommy, I'm holding the phone.
Okay.
Ooh, yes, you're getting big checks. Okay, now it's your turn.
Okay.
Your turn.
Okay. All right.
You hold the phone.
Okay.
Just hold the
Okay, Zayden.
phone.
Wash your hands.
Oh, yes. This is not going to break. Oh, I see the dinosaur.
Ooh.
Getting close. That's why it's really hard. Get the like, dinosaur wheel getting you out. Ooh! Getting close. You have to wash your hands. Wait. This is a lot of deep. Here I go! Again, we're gonna have this at the top. Ow.
You want me to do some more?
Yeah.
Okay, take the camera.
Okay.
Flip it. Uh-oh. Okay.
It's still going.
Okay. Where's the thing? Oh.
Here's my mama. I think I got this now.
You think you got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Do the other one, Edge. The dinosaur's on the other one.
It has big feet. I don't think it's a dinosaur. Wow. How do you get this out? Foolish. Oh, I see the head.
Oh, cool.
Oh, it's not. Maybe that's the feet or not. I think it's the head. I think my dream, I think it comes true.
Edgy. Which one is it? They do?
What's this? Wow!
Yeah. Be careful.
Ooh, it's rocking.
Can you rip it? Yeah. It's free. Dip it in the water. Okay, what did we get?
Oh no. It's Pluto.
Pteranodon?
No, this is not a turtle because it doesn't have any wings.
T-Rex?
T-Rex, I don't know.
Okay, we'll show it to the audience, please.
Oh.
Oh, cool.
I'm gonna go wash my hands now.
Okay, well, let's do your exit.